Let's understand the Hooke's law in case of tensile loading or tensile stress. So when we have tensile stress and strain, we take stress as resistive force divided by area. What is resistive force here? Actually, that is nothing but the internal force, right? What is being developed in the member. But actually, we consider that as the applied force, because we are considering that we are discussing the member before it's being fail. So for that purpose, I am writing under proportional limit. Under proportional limit, your member will not fail. Then you can of course consider resistive load as applied load. It means what? The molecules are able to overcome the applied force. So whatever resistances we are getting, that is actually equal to this force. So resistive force is equal to applied force. So if it is like whatever force is given here, that force you will consider as a resistive force. And which area you will take into picture? This area, okay, this area, cross section area you will take. So area, which one? You just write area, or you can write appropriate area. So that which area you have to take, you cannot take this area, you cannot take this area, right? So in case of tensile stress, this is the situation. And let's understand what is tensile strain here. So right now you have stress, right? That symbol, yes, cross section area. Now the symbol for the stress, you will write like this: stress sigma is equal to, no, right now you don't say positive or negative. Positive or negative stresses are whenever we have two or more stresses, we compare their directions and then we decide positive or negative. If you have only one stress, that stress you cannot say positive or negative. Now see, you go for sigma is equal to your force by area. Now first time we are writing in terms of symbols. Okay, now you go for tensile strain. It means for the same condition, how will you find out strain? Epsilon is equal to, what will you write? Change in length divided by original length. Okay, and how will you apply Hooke's law here? Hooke's law is equal to stress is equal to, when you have longitudinal case, that time which modulus you will take? E into epsilon. So these three things done. Copy dash.